stuck with the Gamingtcui.dll failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. Before we walk through the Gamingtcui troubleshooting, you can access a utility focused on providing a clean system environment. This DLL file is the Windows Gaming Technical Control User Interface library. It provides the UI elements for gaming-related system features, such as the Xbox game bar prompts and in-game identity verification windows on Windows. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. The Gamingtcui.dll is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with the Gamingtcui. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. The version of the Gamingtcui.dll found on most download sites is often compiled for different hardware, which can cause your CPU to work harder or crash. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. If your system struggles with its current configuration, the repair utility below provides background information on the Gamingtcui. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got the Gamingtcui working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.